While Taiwan's Coast Guards help take care of solitary seniors, the majority of the burden of looking after old people falls on the shoulders of the children. In the last part of our series on home caregivers in Taiwan, we meet a visually impaired woman who looked after her ailing parents for 13 years until they died. Long Xiangyan is now helping others like her as a volunteer for Taiwan's Home Caregivers Association.
那我们今天的主题是谈到的是视障者他如何照顾生病的家人哈。那我们今天很高兴就是有人邀请了那个爸妈我在这里的那个作者龙祥燕女士来跟大家分享。
各位朋友大家好，我叫龙祥燕，一条龙的龙，吉祥的祥，燕子的燕。我出生在台中，我原来的职业是教小提琴。
Long Xiangyan is a visually impaired woman who looked after her ailing parents until they died. Finally graduating from her position as a home caregiver, she sacrificed her youth and her health along the way.
I carried my father like this, supporting him with one arm while one of my dad's arms was over my shoulder. Carry him once like that was exhausting.
55-kilogram Long Xiangyan supported her 76-kilogram father like this for 13 years, looking after both parents without a break. Over time, the physical work took its toll. Now, the former violin teacher cannot play the instrument anymore. Long Xiangyan has started practicing music again on the Chinese spike fiddle. She quit work to care for her parents full-time, but is now over 60 years old. Her poor health meant she could not go back to her old job of teaching violin.
The doctor told me many times not to play because of my hearing. My hearing is deteriorating, so for the sake of my ears, the doctor told me not to practice. Anyway, I've been knocked back so many times, I don't care anymore.
There are no textbooks to teach you how to be a home caregiver. Most are motivated by family love and a sense of responsibility to keep supporting their ailing relatives.
How has Mr. Lu been recently? And you? Of course you're tired. That goes without saying.
Now Long Xiangyan encourages other people in her situation as a helpline volunteer at Taiwan's Home Caregivers Support Center. She says only someone who has been there can fully understand what they're going through.
We have to take care of ourselves first, give ourselves time to wind down, ask our family to cooperate, and accept help from society. Only if you look after yourself and stand up can you keep going.
Many caregivers exhaust their youth and health to extend the lives of their relatives. That noble gesture of self-sacrifice is taken for granted by current Taiwanese government policy.
In Europe and America, they think everyone should be looked after by the nation. Today, if I quit work to take care of my family, they will help me get through the interim period with some welfare support.
Long Xiangyan worked without an income, even eating into her savings for 13 years. Long-term care insurance, which is still in the planning phase, will translate family care into cash payments so that home caregivers will be financially rewarded. Apart from economic support, home caregivers also need help from their family and friends so that they will not have to walk this long road on their own.